Less than tittle greater than AVAXTRY. Will the recent surge sustain or signal a decline? Less than tittle greater than 60-minute candlestick chart, moving averages, volume analysis. Analyze the current price position of the AVAXTRY coin relative to short-term moving averages, e.g., 20-day, 50-day, 100-day. Provide a detailed comparison using specific figures to illustrate how AVAXTRY's price is performing against these moving averages. Explain how recent changes in trading volume correlate with price movements, using specific percentages or numerical values. For instance, detail how a recent surge or decline in volume by a certain percentage has impacted AVAXTRY's price. Written using a language specializing in local coin investment for American investors. The amount is written in dollars. Relative Strength Index, RSI, analysis. Determine the current RSI value of AVAXTRY at 44.64 and specify its level, neutral zone, as it's between 30 and 70. Explain what recent changes in RSI values signify and analyze how AVAXTRY has historically reacted at similar RSI levels, using specific data points. Written using a language specializing in local coin investment for American investors. The amount is written in dollars. Stochastic oscillator analysis. Analyze the current stochastic indicators in the AVAXTRY market at 61.71, indicating a slight inclination towards overbought. Use historical data to explain how AVAXTRY's price has reacted in the past when similar stochastic values appeared, including specific dates and price levels. Written using a language specializing in local coin investment for American investors. The amount is written in dollars. MACD and signal line analysis. Conduct a detailed analysis of the current MACD value, 12.60, and the difference between the MACD line and the signal line, 16.54. Explain any historical patterns that are similar to the current scenario for AVAXTRY and how they influence the coin's price movement. Describe what the MACD histogram suggests about future trends based on specific numerical values. Written using a language specializing in local coin investment for American investors. The amount is written in dollars. Bollinger Bands analysis. Determine precisely where AVAXTRY's price is situated within the Bollinger Bands, with the current price at 1100 within the bands, upper 1136.44. Lower 1068.47. Analyze expected volatility if AVAXTRY's price is outside the bands, using past data and specific figures to explain potential price movements. Written using a language specializing in local coin investment for American investors. The amount is written in dollars. Fibonacci retracement analysis. Analyze where AVAXTRY's price currently stands among key Fibonacci retracement levels, particularly between the 0.0%, 1129.3, and 23.6%, 1045.43, levels. Provide numerical explanations of how AVAXTRY has reacted at these levels in the past, including specific price points and dates. Written using a language specializing in local coin investment for American investors. The amount is written in dollars. Daily candlestick chart and volume. 1-year analysis. Analyze the major lows and highs of AVAXTRY over the past year. Detail when these peaks and troughs occurred and what AVAXTRY's price was at those times. Present average trading volumes and price fluctuations during this period, using specific numerical data. Written using a language specializing in local coin investment for American investors. The amount is written in dollars. Candlestick chart and volume. 3-year analysis. From a long-term perspective, analyze key levels where AVAXTRY has received resistance or support, including specific dates and price levels of highs and lows over the past 3 years. Analyze the correlation between long-term trading volume patterns and AVAXTRY's price movements, using detailed numerical data. Written using a language specializing in local coin investment for American investors. The amount is written in dollars. Less than comprehensive analysis greater than conduct a thorough analysis of the numerical data and indicators from the charts to evaluate the current state of AVAXTRY's price and predict future movements. Analyze the numerical correlations between charts to assess the consistency among short-term, medium-term, and long-term trends. Written using a language specializing in local coin investment for American investors. The amount is written in dollars. Use the coin's name at least 6 times throughout the content to ensure focus and relevance. Write in a professional and precise manner, using technical language appropriate for investors and analysts. Pay close attention to grammar and spelling to maintain a high level of professionalism in the document.